Alright guys, day 3 for me, day 2 for Tyler because he's a slacker. Alright, we got the correct rods now for steel, stainless, and aluminum. Now we're going to get into some aluminum. So let's do it. You ready, Tyler?
Oh, I'm ready.
Alright, let's do it. Me versus Tyler. Who's going to win?
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be welding some intercooler piping. It's aluminum, obviously, but we're going to be running about 50 amps on ER. This filler rod here is ER 4043. So this stuff's pretty thin, so it's low amperage. Alright, well, that's about it. Let's get into it.
Alright.
You got to take that off. There.
You gonna lay some fucking beads or what? People don't want to see you tacking up shit.
Well, you gotta tack it up first. Otherwise it'll pull apart.
Right. Alright guys, so we're going to run bead for bead. Tyler's going to run a bead, then I'm going to run under it. And then I'm going to see if I can keep up with him. So let's see what happens. Go ahead. Back here, that looks pretty. I don't know if I'll be able to match that, but let's find out. All right, let me get my helmet. Tyler, I think you done fucked up and messed with the wrong motherfucker.
Yeah, right.
Alright guys, we just got done laying these beads. Tyler's is on the left, mine's on the right. This is like my first true time trying to weld aluminum. So you be the judge there. It looks pretty good, I think. I think Tyler's a little jelly. But
Mine's
yeah.
all dirty now.
Yeah, he's saying this is dirty. So. Alright guys, well, Tyler had to leave, so I didn't really have anyone to help me hold the welding mask over the camera. So I just was practicing by myself, and let me show you guys how I did. Because these bitches were hot. So, there's some of my welds. Aluminum. I could kind of try to read the puddle what I was doing wrong, what I was doing right. I mean, it's my first time, so cut me a little bit of slack. So, the only thing I couldn't really get was the edge here. It kept burning, so I don't know if it was just not clean enough or what. So that's Tyler's. But yeah, there it is. Here's what I was talking about when I was trying to put these two ends together. It kept just balling up on the end right there, so I'm not really too sure what's going on. I don't know. And it would burn through when I was trying to tack it together. So now in here it wasn't getting hot enough and pulling up, and it was just bubbling up. You can see the bubble. So if someone maybe has some insight on that, that'd be cool. Let me know. So that's gonna be it for tonight. I know a little short video, but get you something out there, something you can watch. I do have a good update for Steven's car. We got the packages from Huck's Racing. We got the body harness, the flywheel, the kit to put the E153 trans on the K series, so that's pretty exciting. The fuel line should be here tomorrow, or the fuel lines and the fuel fittings should be here tomorrow, and we can stuff the fuel tank in and get that ready, get the engine prepped, get it painted. So yeah, we're about to get this ball rolling. His engine is coming from CSS. That will be here next week, and then we can mount it and put it in. Then I go on vacation. So until then, see you guys later.